Hello and welcome to second kind of vlog, but kind of thing, but not really the second, because the first one wasn't really a vlog when you think about it. It was more of a intro letting you know I'll be doing them, so I haven't been up to much, as you'll probably see me looking away from the camera because I'm doing some editing right now, so sorry about that. And basically, so last night, so I haven't been put any videos up because firework night and loads of fireworks going off. Went to a fireworks display, so I'll be telling you about that. So basically, went there, still playing for some reason. I made that song GarageBand, so it'll be a cool intro for the vlogs. So yeah. And yes, basically went to fireworks, saw cool fireworks, went there, did a ridiculously fast ride where you went in like this car and spun around and almost fly off. My mum was almost sick on me, but yeah, as you do. And then I went back to my mum's friend's house and stayed there overnight, and then got back about 2ish today. Yeah, because we went shopping and did all that boring stuff and had to get food, and then now I'm just waiting for my curry to arrive that I've just ordered. So that will be fun to eat. So just to keep you up to date on one of my vlogs that I'm doing. So firework night, it was pretty good. And then next time I should be going, next Friday I'm going to my school bonfire night where all my friends will be. Cokethorpe School, that's my school. Cokethorpe, Whitney, Ducklington, I think. And I would say the postcode, something PU, I don't know, something weird like that. And so yeah, that's what I've been up to, and that's what's happened in the last few days. So I'll probably be doing like a vlog every 2 days, let you know what's happening over those 2 days. So thanks for watching, please comment, rate, like and subscribe. See you next time.